Hi, I'm Julie with Hubert. Today I'd like to show you how to load a new ink roller onto our Hubert Brand 2-line labeling gun. So first and foremost, the most important accessories to have while you're changing your ink rollers are a pair of disposable gloves and plenty of napkins because things can get a little bit messy. So when you found out that you're out of ink and it's time to change the roller, it's pretty simple. You just open the front cover where the ink roller is, and then the old roller should just pop off pretty easily. Take the new ink roller out of the packaging. This is where the gloves kind of come in handy. Now take the new roller and the two little end pieces on the actual roller should just fit right on the slots of the holder. And then you just close the cover and you're ready to go. And that's how you load a new ink roller onto the Hubert Brand 2-line labeling gun. Thanks for watching.